Hello learners, bonjour aux apprenants and welcome to Learn French with Likiza. Today we are going to look at this French verb faire and its uses. Faire means to do or to make in English, but it has a variety of other meanings as we are going to see in this video. Also, faire is one of the most used verbs in French. It is an irregular verb, which means that it is not conjugated in the same way that RE verbs are generally conjugated. And this is how we conjugate it in the present tense. Je fais, tu fais, il fait, elle fait, on fait, nous faisons, vous faites, ils font, elles font. Faire is used to mean to do something. For example, je fais la lessive, I'm doing laundry. Je fais la vaisselle, I'm doing the dishes. Je fais des calculs, I'm doing calculations. Or, je fais le ménage, I'm doing housework. Faire can also be used to mean to make something. For example, ils font du bruit, they are making noise. Les enfants font des dégâts, the children are making a mess. Now this is interesting. We say faire un gâteau to mean to bake a cake, literally to make a cake. For example, elle fait un gâteau, she bakes a cake. Je fais le lit, I make the bed. We use faire to talk about the weather. For example, il fait chaud, it's hot out. Il fait froid, it's cold out. Il fait frais, it's cool out. And before I continue, if you are enjoying the lesson, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. You can also check out my playlists after watching this video for a more structured learning experience. Now let us continue with the other uses of faire in French. Faire can be used to talk about some sporting activities or activities in general. For example, ils font de la randonnée, they are going hiking. Il fait de la natation, he swims. Nous faisons de l'équitation, we are going horse riding. But if you're talking about games, for example, like playing tennis, playing chess, playing football, we use the verb jouer, which translates to play in English. We can also use faire to talk about distance. For example, j'ai fait 5 km de marche aujourd'hui matin. I did 5 kilometers of walking today morning. Nous avons fait 8 heures de route. We drove for 8 hours. We normally use faire followed by an infinitive to mean to have something done. For example, j'ai fait changer mon horaire de travail. I had my work schedule changed. Nous allons faire tondre notre pelouse. We are going to have our lawn mowed. We also have some expressions in French with the verb faire, and I'm going to highlight some of them. We have faire attention, which translates to pay attention. For example, faites attention aux panneaux de signalisation. Pay attention to the road signs. Another expression is faire la grasse matinée, to sleep in. Je fais la grasse matinée le dimanche. I sleep in on Sundays. Faire des économies, to save. C'est une année difficile, donc je dois faire des économies. It is a difficult year, so I have to save. Faire du cinéma, to make a scene. Je n'aime pas quand certains font du cinéma pour rien. I don't like it when some people make a scene for nothing. Now these are just 4 examples. We have many more expressions in French using the verb faire, but I hope this gives you an idea of how it works with faire. So that is the end of the lesson on this verb faire. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. You can also check out my pinned comment for the various ways in which you can support me and my work, and you can also find resources to further your French learning journey. À bientôt!